All right, we got it. I just got back from a vacation and I bought this tool right before we left. I really liked the dynamo, so I went ahead and bought the Tornado. It comes with a super nice, wow, look at that. That's a really nice case. This is much better than the other. I ended up not using the dynamo case very much because of, oh, interesting. So here it is. Here's the resistance pads. Not really sure how that works. So taking it apart. Okay, so it's already constructed. It looks like it's already constructed. And oh, okay, so I'm trying to figure out how to adjust the resistance. Looks like you unscrew this right here, you tighten it, and then you lock nut it, sorta. It's like a lock nut on both sides. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Backwards. Oh, that's good. Let's see. This is a fantastic. I'm pretty impressed with it. Oh no. Wow, within the first few minutes, this piece came unscrewed. Not very happy about that. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to go this way. So backpedaling. And then I guess if you want to go forward, you have to flip it. Yeah. So based on the thread pattern with this piece right here, you gotta flip it if you want to go. But I feel it in my forearms. You can see the forearms like that. Oh. Flip it over. This way. This is one of the ways. It says like that. Yeah. I predict that it's the hardest part of this is making sure that you have equal resistance, because each side has a variable resistance. Oh, look at those forearms though, working. And then yeah, I can for sure feel it. Look at that. yeah, we're gonna use this. I'm feeling pretty good. This is the other one. Like I made the other tool, you know, I almost like the Dynamo a little better. Maybe because it's more simple. There's not as many exercises to do, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna try to use this a little bit more. We're gonna get some actual like a full training video here shortly with the Tornado and the Dynamo. And Tornado comes with a nice little instruction on assembly, even though it came pre-assembled. It's kind of nice because when you take it apart, you'll have to know how to put it back together. But yeah, I'm mostly impressed with the packaging. I'm mostly impressed with this. We'll have to train it more. I'll let you know what I think.